Flying in formation today is a World War II era P-51 Mustang piloted by Vlado Lenik and a U.S. Air Force F-15 Eagle piloted by Captain Sam Joplin. We would like to dedicate today's Heritage Flight to all military veterans in attendance today whose sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom.